Hi there folks, we're back at RAF Riccall. Just come to have a look at well, something I saw on one of the site plans. To the top of the airfield, we're at the top of the runway now, just off the airfield perimeter lines, shows a circle, and there's some trees there, so we thought we'll go and have a look. And also we're going to test out a new torch in an air raid shelter, why not? So let's go take a look folks. Definitely a bit windy today. So I think if should we head to the dispersal point and then go through the trees? So we're right at the top of the airfield where the perimeter track just curves around to the runway. Somebody's been making little dens in the wood. Now we do have an air raid shelter just in there which we could use to test that torch. So onto a dispersal point. There's a chance we may see some interesting wildlife. Or we may just come across stupid people. So, dispersal point folks. Look, that bench has got the disabled wheelchair access as well.
Accessible benches.
Yeah. So, we've been here a few times. And if we go just into the woods in here, there's the remains of a structure. Something I would have said was probably for electrics and the wiring of the airfield.
I don't know about the doors and glasses.
Possibly not this one. Not sure on this one folks, let's have a look. Well, there's a line along there.
Huh. Hey, strawberry.
Oh, what, a strawberry?
Yeah. Look. Look, it's strawberry plant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're tiny.
Yeah. Well, I ain't the first one I've seen them. I thought I saw some here, but I must be in a berry. No, what is a berry, but... There must be some people being eating strawberries in the area.
Oh, birds. Have a habit of shitting the seeds out. Ah, right, now I know where all these little sticky things are coming from.
Yeah, they're all on the ground.
Yeah. Yes, those things. I wonder how many I'll take back to the car.
We call them things so we don't get demonetised.
So yeah, we have this this structure. I'm not sure exactly what it was. I'll have to bring it up on the site plan, but that looks like it was a square building with a doorway on it. And it's double brick, not temporary, single brick. Yeah, the walls have just been pushed in. And there's that hole there. So yeah, doorway there first. There's some glass down there. And then you've got this hole with those cutouts. That That was done for a purpose. Yeah, I'll have to have a look on the site plan. It should show what this was. Whatever it was, it's certainly seen better days. Right then, we need to head over there. Yeah, so go down there, goes to the bomb dump. And it like cuts in on it. I'm not going to go down there now, but that means if we go this opposite way, that should take us to where that weird circle is. Yeah. The question is it that side or that side?
Well,
Well, it looked more like a road, so I'm going to say the other side. However, this doesn't actually look like a road. Don't know. Follow it and see. You can definitely see it on the photograph from 1946 on Britain from above. Has to be said, folks, I've not had much content to put up recently. However, in a couple of weeks' time, I'm going to be filming an air show at Church Fenton. The Flying Legends. There's quite a list of aircraft flying, so hopefully we can make some good videos out of that. Anyway, back to this crap video. So this is the area in there. If when you look on the map from above, you might follow this lane and then take a right turn and into there. This could be a big fat nothing, folks. Yeah, that doesn't look that old, that lid. Right. Is there anything to be found? So, was there anything up here, folks? That's the question. I have a feeling not. But the LiDAR Just show some lumps and bumps. These are away from stupid people. Who?
Magic ones.
Anybody know what sort of mushroom that is? Before we poison ourselves?
Got a friend over there. That one's happy.
You can tell. Stands taller.
That was the first one.
So, is there anything to be found? Hmm. So this is the area.
Well, they're not very helpful anymore.
No, they've seen better days. So what's there's something down here? Some of these trees have been here quite a while. Not really seen anything though. I don't really intend rummaging through all that.
That's nice, right?
Look at what nice grass.
So you put a wagon on a picnic.
Those trees only appeared after the war, those over there. They weren't there in 1946. It makes you wonder what's the reasoning for it. Unless it's to stop wind or something. How old do you reckon that tree is, folks? Quite big.
It's a gigantic armchair.
It looks like a tree people can climb. Yeah. Well, on that bombshell, I think we'll go test the torch out because we've not really found anything here.
Found a bench.
A bench, somebody running, a rabbit. Oh, excellent content, and people are going to be absolutely on the edge of their seats with this one. Well folks, we're admit defeat. There's nothing here really to be seen, so we're going to go back, find an air raid shelter and test one of the new torches we've acquired. So back at the top of the airfield on the perimeter track. Sadly a big chunk of it's been dug out. And look, some coronavirus. Anyway, on that bombshell, let's go find an air raid shelter, folks. I think it's a little bit overgrown. Yeah, that's definitely a bit overgrown. Was this a double-ended one or one with a double-ended? I'm just wondering if the other side's any easier.
We already know what's going to happen, don't we?
Oh yes. I'm just wondering if the other end's got less of a bush over it. Yeah, this one's better. Definitely. Try the new light in there, folks. Yeah, this one looks better. So, today we're testing the Olight
Mini...
Marauder, was it?
I think so.
It might say on it, you know.
Marauder Mini.
Yeah, so. Give it a try, folks. Ooh, look at all them beasties coming out. Let's quickly do this, otherwise we're going to be lunch.
You're breathing
in. Getting eaten, folks. Let's get out. We've also got different colours.
Red, green and blue?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Right, on that bombshell, folks, let's go back to the car and brush off all these weird things that seem to have attached to us. Look at all them folks. Listen, get off. Ready, go. Right, we'll make our way back to the car. Now this actually was a dispersal point at one point. And then it was all dug out. So maybe that centre part in there is actually the centre of it. Yeah. Now a nature reserve. All sorts of insects and wildlife here. Even the great crested newt. Yeah, we did actually. Well folks, that's it for this video. Just a bit of a failed explore, a very quick light test. Well, at least it got us out of the house, so we were sitting on our backsides doing nothing. So, on that bombshell, we're going to go back to the car, and we'll catch you on the next one.